How to watch trailer on Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can watch trailers on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now basically, if you want to watch trailer on Netflix, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, let's say there's a certain show or something that you are about to watch, but before that you want to watch the trailer of it. Well, it's actually very simple, because if you open up the details of that, right over here the trailer will actually start to begin to play. So you can directly also play the movie or the series or the episodes from here, and to watch the trailer you just have to play on this little option here. Now in my case my internet is being relatively slow today, but if yours is pretty quick, then this trailer will play automatically here, and this way you'll be able to watch trailer on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.